Hey, what's going on again, folks? I got a Best Buy unboxing today, and I got the Galaxy Tab A Lite, and it's brand new. I just got it in just now from Best Buy, and I'm very excited again today. Also, I got a good deal on this, and today is something different, not the usual. Yes, I got something brand new today, and this is going to be my second Galaxy Tab. Okay, let's open this up and see what we have in here. First things first, I got to make sure everything's right here. Yes, it's brand new. I just got it in just now. I got it from Best Buy just now. Okay, let's open this up and see what we have. Okay, I can't wait to see what this looks like. And yes, this is brand new. There we go. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Okay, almost there. Okay, and let's see. Alright, before I take that out, the usual. Your usual manual. You already know how that works. Put that there. And right here is your usual charger. Put the box there. Here's your usual charger and plug. And if you look in here, there's the SD card key. Okay, show you that in a bit. Let's look at the main part. Okay, yes, I finally got the what do you call this? The Galaxy Tab A Lite. Also, I got a good deal on this. Okay, let's see how this looks like. And it's brand new. So, almost there. So, here we go. So, let's see how this looks. So, this is it. This is what I got today at Best Buy. Yes, and something different today. Not the usual knife reviews like I usually do. Yeah, something totally different today. So, this is what I got. I got the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's what I got today. So here it is. It's brand new. And I'll see how it works. Okay, let's show you a good close-up of the what do you call this? The Tab A Lite. That's what it is. And yes, it's brand new. Okay, right there. Yeah, your usual power button, volume. Back there, your speaker, charger, headphone. Yeah, you already know what that is. Also, this is going to be my second. Galaxy. I'll show you my other Galaxy there in a bit. I do have the original Tab A. I'll show you that in a moment. But yes, I got something new. And yes, I bought this for a number 2 choice. So it's good. That's the best thing. It's 2 is better than 1. Okay. Okay. So also, yeah, I got a good deal on this. I got a good deal on this. Here, I got the receipt here. So I got it for $119.99 plus tax. That's not cheap. So I got it for $134.49 altogether. Originally, this is around $159. But yes, I got a good deal on this. And yes, no problem. The Galaxy Tab is worth the buy for around $150 or $119 anyway. Okay, so also, yes, this is my second Galaxy right here. Alright, now let's do a comparison with my original Tab here. So here's my original, I'll put that there for a minute. Okay, so here's my original Galaxy Tab A right here. Yeah, I have this in a case. And yes, no problem. I've had this for 2 years. I've been using this for 2 years and no problem at all. Okay, well, and there we go. Works great every time. Yeah, as you can see, I changed the wallpaper there. There you go. Works great. And yeah, that's good. It's 2 is better than 1. So I bought this as a second choice. So yes, this is my original Galaxy Tab A. No problem. You want to get either one, it's worth the buy. Yeah, I do have this in a case, and yes, been using this for 2 years, and no problem at all. Works great every time. Okay, let's do a little comparison here. right there. So here's my original Tab A, and here's my new, what do you call this one? The Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. So this is a lot lighter. Okay, there's my original Galaxy Tab right here. Works great every time, and yes, no problem. Always a great deal, worth to buy. There you go. Okay, so no problem. So if you want to get any Galaxy, it's worth the money. It's worth to buy for about $150 or anyway, how much they cost. And yeah, this is the new thing I got today. Okay, well, the usual here. Here's your plug and charger right here. And here's the SD card key right here. It just goes right there. Right there. You just poke it in and comes out. Yeah, you already know how that how it works, like that. Yeah, I'm very excited again today. I got something brand new. So this is going to be my second Galaxy, and I'm going to get acquainted with it. I just got it in. And you know, one day I'm going to have to do a part 2 video of this. Yeah, sorry if I didn't turn it on right away. Yeah, the usual, the setup, agreement, Wi-Fi. Yeah, that takes time to, you know, to set. So I'm going to have to do a part 2 video on this when the time's right. And yeah, so this is what I got at Best Buy. I just got it in just now. It's brand new, and I'm very, very excited today. And yes, something something different today, not the usual knife reviews like I usually do. And no problem. Yeah, I'm satisfied again, and I can always return it if it doesn't work out. So yeah, $19.99. That's how much I got it for. Awesome deal. And another thing, the next thing I'm gonna need to get, I need to get a new camera. Yeah, I need yeah, one day I need to get a new camera and better microphone. Yeah, as you can see here, I still use my old digital camera. That's why I sound like this a lot of times. Yeah, I use my old digital camera for my other reviews. So that's the next thing I'm gonna get is a new camcorder. Yeah, I need to get a new camera and better microphone. So I'm gonna work on that. So that's the next thing I'm gonna get is a new camcorder. I'll work on that, no problem. So yeah, alright, put that aside for a minute. Let's look at the main part right here. Yes, I'm very excited again today, and I'm gonna get acquainted. Okay, let's just show you a close-up of the Galaxy Tab A Lite here. And it's brand new out of the box. And yes, no problem. The Tab A is definitely worth to buy. For $150, you know, or $150 to $200, no problem. And I've been using my Galaxy Tab A there, my original Tab A there, and never had a problem with it at all. Works great all the time. So I just bought this as a number 2 choice. Yes, 2 is better than 1. Okay, hold on. Let's show you a close-up of the sides here in the back. And yes, I'm going to get acquainted with this. Right there, you already know how, you know what that is. Right there. And right there. Okay, so there you have it. I gave you a good unboxing and review of the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite that I got at Best Buy. And, you know, I'm sorry if I didn't turn it on right away. Yeah, the setup takes up time. So, you know, when the time's right, I may have to do a part 2 video, give you another review on that. No problem. So, yes, again, either Galaxy Tab is worth the buy for $150 to $200, no problem. So if you want to get this, go for it. You know, it's worth the money. Okay, so there you have it. I gave you a good eye glimpse and unboxing review of the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite that I got at Best Buy. subscribe, like, comment, see my channel for my other reviews, and thanks for watching.